Hi, I'm Debora Ornellas. I am a full-stack application engineer at the Lego Group. I started working at the Lego Group in February of this year, and I've been working mainly on the Lego.com website and the front end with design systems, including the adoption of design tokens into Lego.com. At the beginning, it's a very different system. Not too different when you think about, in the end, it's all CSS that's going to be consumed, CSS variables. But people were still a bit hesitant about, oh, are we going to have to switch all of our components at once? Is this going to replace all of the code that we had? But when we explain it better, that we're going for approach where only the new components are going to be used with the design tokens, and people don't need to migrate everything at once. It's just a matter of from now on, there is this different approach, but don't worry about having to migrate everything. People started to feel more comfortable with design tokens, and they started to realize the advantage of it. It's like the developers don't need to update the values manually. They just need to consume the tokens once, and this will be it. And the designers as well, they can be more confident that the source of truth is in the UX tool like Figma. That's a good question. I think we would have taken it a bit slower on the adoption in the website. We would have used a bit more aliasing first with the tokens. We had a first set of global tokens that were quite good, but we didn't spend as much time preparing the alias versions, like more detailed tokens for instance, instead of using the colors directly, just creating an alias token that would be the button color or things like this. Because afterwards, we had a first component that used tokens, and we had to scale the system and make a couple of global breaking changes. And changing those back in the code base was a bit painful. So I think this is the main thing that we would change. Just work a bit more on the alias first. Yes, definitely. It's been an amazing experience. It's the first conference I'm speaking at, and it's been such well organized. Everyone's really nice. The talks have been amazing. So I would definitely recommend, and I would like to come again to watch or speak.